Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Old Stag's Sons. A moral story: listen to your parents' advice. An old leader stag decided to choose the next leader from his two sons, Luke and Boss. He placed his herd under the care of his two sons. He said, "Sons, each of you take half the herd to the mountain forests." Boss traveled morning and night with his herd. He did not take care of them. He was more concerned with finding food and water for himself. So, he kept close to villages where he could easily find food. Many of his deer were killed by hunters and wild animals. Luke never went close to the villages and traveled only at night. He kept his deer safe. Eventually, Boss went back alone and Luke returned with all his deer alive. The old stag said, "Boss, you lost your whole herd of deer." Luke listened and learned from me. He will be the leader after me.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.